I have full name in this column. And I want to extract the last and first name. And I need to combine last and first name in column E. Okay, I will share to you in this video. Now I remove the texts in cell. After, click on the top at the column C. Next, press equals and type left function. Open parentheses and click on full name cell. Comma and type find function. Open parentheses and type double quote and space. Close parentheses and comma. Next, select the full name and close parentheses. And minus sign and type number 1. After, close parentheses and enter. Now the last name is extract from full name column. Second, extract first name. Click on this cell and press equals. After, type right function and open parentheses. Next, click the full name and comma. After, type len function and open parentheses. Click on full name and close parentheses. Comma and press minus sign. After, type find function and open parentheses. Double quote and space after close parentheses. Comma and click the full name. After, close the parentheses 2 times. Next, press enter. Okay, the result is first name extracted from full name. Next, merge last and first name. Okay, click on cell and press equals. And type concatenate function and open parentheses. After, type proper function and open parentheses. Next, click on last name. Close parentheses and comma. Type proper function again and open parentheses. And click on first name. After, close parentheses 2 times. And enter. The result last and first name are combine in cell. Okay, with the 3 practice are done. Extract last name. Extract first name. And merge last and first name. ICT share.